In this video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate domain for MailerLite. In order to do that, you first need to head over right here into MailerLite.com, and then from in there, click on sign up free in order to create an account. With this, you will get 14 days of free trial of their premium features with no credit card required. Once you have successfully signed up, you should be able to have your account. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to click onto this login option. Now here is my dashboard right there. In order to authenticate your domain, you need to head over right here to your left sidebar, and from in there you can find your account settings. Proceed to click on that right there. In here you can see some things. So we have in here new subjects or options for our left sidebar. Let's proceed to click on this domains right here. After that, we can see in here our actual domains. Click onto this add domain option and input right here the email address for sending the domain. So for example, let's input right here this, and then let's add in here our actual domain, the email. For example, let's input beonprems.com. Click on save. And after that, they will guide us through authenticating it. So just wait for this to save and you should be able to see in here this. Select your DNS provider. You can choose from these options right here, or if you don't see your option, click on other. In this case, I actually choose GoDaddy. And if you're already logged in, click on this. Now it will show you your CNAME record, so make sure to copy this name as well as value. And next is your TXT. Copy this as well. Next, another domain verification TXT record. And then after that, click on this check records, and it can take up to 24 hours for your records to become active. But once it's done, your domain will be authenticated through it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.